The word we'll be learning in this video is えんしゅう, which you will often hear in math class, geometry problems, construction, or when measuring round objects. Imagine how much clearer your Japanese will sound when you can express measurements naturally. Measure the circumference of the circle with a tape. The tree's circumference is 2 feet. What's the circumference of this table? Let's get started. えんしゅう. えんしゅう. The word えんしゅう means the distance around a circle. It is the length of a circle's outer edge, and in math, you calculate えんしゅう with formulas like 2 pi r or pi d. You can also hear えんしゅう used more generally to refer to an object's perimeter. The first kanji means yen and circle. Its onyomi is en, and its kunyomi is marui. In words like en, the kanji carries the money meaning. In words like enkei, it gives the idea of round or circular shape. The second kanji means circumference and around. Its onyomi is shu, and its kunyomi is mawaru and mawari. In the word mawari, it expresses the concept of around or surrounding. In the word shui, it helps form the meaning of surrounding area or circumference. Pi, ratio of a circle's circumference to its diameter. 円周率. 円周率. Length of the circumference. Circumference, length. 円周の長さ. 円周の長さ. Measure the circumference. 円周を測る. 円周を測る. Be located on the circumference, on the circle. 円周上にある. 円周上にある. Go around the circumference once. 円周を一周する. 円周を一周する. The most common synonyms of the 円周 are 周長 and 周囲. 周長 is a technical geometric term referring to the length around a shape, and is essentially the same concept as 円周, but can apply to any closed shape, not only circles. 周囲 refers to the area or space around something, and is used more generally in everyday contexts. Unlike 円周, it does not necessarily denote a precise measured length. The most common antonyms of the 円周 are 直径 and 半径. 直径 is the straight line distance across a circle through its center, and represents a different measurement from the circular length implied by 円周. 半径 is the distance from the center to the edge, and is also a different type of linear measurement. Both contrast with 円周 because they measure internal spans rather than the boundary length.